Hey learners, I welcome you all to this digital e-learning course, Vision Without Eyes. Are you surprised to see what it is? In this course, let's explore computer vision. We humans are able to perceive the information from the environment using our eyes and make decisions accordingly. When it comes to computer vision, the question is whether computers can see or not. Yes, even machines are capable of perceiving things and can make decisions using artificial intelligence. In this course, I will take you to the complete tour of computer vision. In this modern era, most of the things around us are influenced by computer vision. Let us say, for example, have you ever wondered how a shopping mall's barcode reader works? Yet there is another exciting example. Have you ever been surprised to see how the faces are detected in the smartphone when we take a selfie? All these are because of the computer vision algorithms and mathematical computations. The faces are detected and the barcodes are read. Let's see what computer vision is all about. Computer vision is a task of extracting, analyzing, and understanding the meaningful information from an image or video using algorithms and mathematical operations. It is a field of empowering the machine with human intellect and sensibilities. Computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables the computer to see, recognize, and analyze images in the same way as we are doing, and the results are given accordingly. Now it's time to understand and differentiate computer vision with human vision. We use our sense organs to perceive the surroundings and use our brain to process the information. When we consider a computer, it uses camera to perceive the environment and uses the computing power to process the data. There is always a misconception of computer vision with image processing because both fields are dealing with images. These two domains are always intertwined with one another. The art of extracting information from images is known as computer vision. The way of translating images into a more realistic representation is known as image processing. Getting more into the details, image processing is considered as the subset of computer vision because image processing improves the overall appearance of the image and enhances the readability of the image. When we perform image enhancement operations on the given image, then the quality of the image can be improved. We can see the details of how to enhance the quality of an image in the upcoming sessions. The most crucial element that we have to remember is the image processing system accepts images as input and produces the images as output. On the other hand, computer vision accepts image as input and extracts the desired information as per the need in real time. Let's see how computer vision is indulged in our daily life. Any sector we take, it can be healthcare, agriculture, banking and insurance sector, manufacturing, sports, surveillance, we can feel the flavor of computer vision. Let's understand how computer vision is advancing in the healthcare domain. Computer vision algorithms help in the detection of cancerous moles in the skin photographs as well as in locating defects from X-ray and MRI scans. In recent years, we can see how the agriculture sector has started incorporating computer vision techniques for planting, harvesting, analyzing weather conditions, weeding, detecting and monitoring plant health. All these have resulted in valuable contributions such as yield analysis, automated pesticide spraying, drone-based crop monitoring, phenotyping, livestock and smart farming. Computer vision has a wide range of applications in the manufacturing industry. Nowadays, the major industries have adopted computer vision for production and management purposes. Predictive analytics of machinery, product quality checks, and precise component assembly are just a few of them which had remarkable success. Computer vision techniques are utilized in the banking and insurance industries for identity verification, authentication, authorization, fraud control, processing KYC papers, and defending against cybersecurity attacks. It is astonishing to see driverless cars which are quite familiar nowadays. It assists the elderly and physically challenged persons in overcoming the challenges of driving. Here is an example of self-driving cars, the famous Tesla car. It uses a software system called Autopilot to analyze their surroundings. It has high-tech cameras to monitor the environment, gather video from various angles, and send to the software for real-time processing to locate road edges, read the traffic signals, detect other vehicles, follow the rules in pedestrians, and navigate to the destination safely. Nowadays, we can see many applications that are taking the advantage of facial recognition, mainly in social networking apps, to identify and tag people. These applications use computer vision algorithms to match images of people's faces to databases of facial profiles for identity verification. It is also used by law enforcement authorities to identify offenders in video feeds. It is very surprising to see how computer vision is used in the sports field. Computer vision technology can be used in sports to track the engagement of audience in the stadium, teams, and leagues. Computer vision is used for sports analytics to get up-to-date information of a game where recording of the game field is not sufficient to make decisions, and it is also highly beneficial to generate impressive media content for more precise reports on the highlights of the game. Computer vision techniques are also used in smart security cameras that can continuously monitor the surveillance footage, and the computer vision algorithms are used to detect and identify spurious and suspicious events including intrusion, tailgating, and wall scaling. Here let's see some of the leading companies that are using computer vision. All these innovators uses computer vision techniques for real-time applications. Clarify for object recognition, Smart Eye for eye tracking, Point Grab for gesture recognition, Mirada for medical imaging, Blue River for precision agriculture, Cruise for automated driver assistance, Sighthound for people tracking, and so on. Hope all of you have got useful insights from this session. Thank you for watching the introductory session on computer vision. Stay connected with us for the upcoming sessions.